In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email in Trello with Sendboard. By the end, you'll have the email for Trello PowerUp added to a board, so you can manage emails right inside your Trello workflow. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards view so you can see all the boards you have access to. If you don't already have a board set up for email-based work, use the Create button at the top to make one now. A board dedicated to support, sales, or account management works especially well, since email conversations can live alongside your tasks and checklists. Next, open the board you want to use for emailing. Once the board loads, look along the top for power-ups. Power-ups are Trello's integrations and enhancements, and this is where you'll add the Sendboard functionality. Click Power-ups, then choose Add Power-ups to open the directory. You'll land in the Power-ups directory where you can browse categories if you want to explore what's available. For today, searching is faster. Use the search bar and type email for Trello. This is the Sendboard power-up that lets you send and receive emails from within a Trello card, keeping the full thread attached to your work. When you see email for Trello in the results, click Add. Trello may prompt you to authorize or confirm access so the power-up can work on your board. Go ahead and follow the prompt, then click Add again to enable it. After a moment, the power-up will be active on your board. A few quick tips as you set this up. You'll need to be a board admin to add power-ups. If your workspace is on a free plan, remember there may be a limit to how many power-ups you can enable per board, so plan accordingly. If your organization manages apps centrally, you might need a workspace admin to approve the power-up before you can add it. Once enabled, you'll notice email features available on your board and cards. This is where you'll be able to compose messages, connect an inbox, and keep replies threaded inside the card so your team can collaborate without losing context. It's a great way to replace scattered email chains with a single source of truth tied to the work you're already tracking. That's the full setup. Open Trello, create or choose your board, go to Power-Ups, open the directory, search for email for Trello, and add it, confirming when prompted. With that done, you're ready to handle email directly in Trello using Sendboard, keeping your conversations organized and your team aligned.